Good day everyone. This is my reflection video for Module 5, which is the light side of the internet. To begin with, let's start first with the relationship between internet and interpersonal communication or relationship. The internet has profoundly affects the interpersonal relationships by enabling communication across vast distances. By this, it allows people to communicate with each other through the use of internet and social media platforms, allowing people to maintain relationships or connections with their loved ones. To compare the advantages and disadvantages of the internet in developing interpersonal communication, we must know first the advantages of internet in interpersonal communication. And one of it is to allow everyone to communicate instantly, flexible communication, to stay engaged with your loved ones no matter how far you are with each other. Meanwhile, the disadvantages of it is that the lack of verbal expression may result to communication and we will never know how sincere their messages are because of the barrier that separates the sender and the receiver. Meanwhile, the disadvantages of it is that the lack of verbal expression may result to miscommunication and we will never know how sincere their messages are because of the barrier that separates the sender and the receiver. Now, let's discuss the relationship of internet to civic engagement. Internet is related to civic engagement. It is because the internet provides platforms for political, most especially in information sharing. Such social media platforms, this can be used for political discussion and everyone can engage in it, such as raising awareness, giving information, and sharing knowledge. Last is the importance of having networks. Networks are crucial for the growth of every person. It provides opportunities for collaboration and knowledge. Having a network is important. We can't deny that. Today's generation almost depends on the network. One key importance of having a network is the faster and easier communication. You can send messages to your loved ones wherever and whenever you want to. Another is the fastest way of navigating and gaining information and news. You don't have to find and seek newspaper just so you can get information, but the use of networks, you can just scroll in many social media platforms to get what you wanted. Thus, having a network is essential to all people.